Draw the shear and moment diagrams for the beam shown in the figure using the area method. No, area method naman talaga yung hihingin. So, ano gagawin natin dito? The first thing that we are going to do is to compute for the reactions. No? So, ano-ano ba yung mga reactions natin dito? We have the hinge at A. So, meaning we have here the AY. And we have the AX. And at B, since this is a roller, we have the BY. So, we have summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0, taking the direction to the right as positive. As you can see here, si AX is directed to the left, negative siya supposedly, but wala naman siyang kalaban, so i-diretso ko na, that would be equal to 0. And summation of forces vertical is equal to 0, taking the upward direction as positive. So, with this, kung makikita natin, si AY is in-assume natin na upward. Tapos itong si 3 kN ay pababa, so minus 3. Si 5 kN meter, wag natin isama kasi sinusumate natin dito forces. Moment kasi ito. So, hindi natin to isasama. Masasama to siya later sa summation of moment. And we have the BY directed upward is equal to 0. Actually, wala tayong masosolve dito kasi dalawa yung unknowns dyan. So, unahin natin yung pag-summate ng moment at whichever point you want. Pwede naman sa point A, pwede din sa point B. Lalabas naman yung sagot. So, kung dito tayo sa point B, magmo-moment, makukuha natin si AY, no? So, basic na to sa inyo kasi sa statics lang natin to eh. Moment at A is equal to 0. Taking the clockwise direction as positive. So, kung kay A ako magmo-moment, this 3 kN here will create a clockwise rotation. So, I would have 3 kN. Multiply by the distance perpendicular to this 3 kN is this 3 meters. No? So, we have here times 3. And we have this moment, so sabi ko nga, si moment, that would be, titingnan natin, clockwise siya, be positive yan. So, plus 5 kN/meter. Since moment na po ito, you don't have to multiply this with a distance kasi moment na siya. Then, si BY, that would be negative kasi it will rotate counterclockwise with respect to point A. So, we have here negative BY, and the distance perpendicular to that is this 3 plus 3. So, the total of 6. So, this is times 6 is equal to 0. Now, computing for the value of the BY, so, wait lang, open lang akong calculator. So, I have here 3 times 3 plus 5 minus 6x. This is equal to 0. Shift solve equals, and I have 2.33. So, meron akong BY na 2.32. Tatlong decimal place yung gamitin natin ha, kasi tatlong yung saan. So, that is 2.333. Unit natin dito, of course, is kilo-newton. Okay? So, we have the value of the BY. Then, substitute lang natin dito sa tuloy natin yung kanina. So, AY minus 3 plus BY, which is 2.33. Wait lang, balikan natin to. Since positively lumabas dito, meaning tama yung assumption natin that BY is directed upward. So, this is upward. So, meaning this is positive. And that is equal to 0. And our AY here is the 2.33 minus natin doon sa 3. So, ano natin, kasi negative kasi. Magpa-positive kasi sa paglilipat natin sa kabila. So, that would be 0.667. So, positive yun. 0.667 kilonewton. And since positive siya, that is directed upwards. So, to counter-check, if we are going to add the 0.667 and the 2.33, that is equal to 3 kilonewton na load. Okay? So, since kompleto na itong mga reactions natin, then we can now start with our shear and moment diagram. So, lahat ng mga parts na merong load ay lagyan natin ng guhit. Kung ito ay concentrated or merong moment, or kapag meron tayong uniformly distributed, dulo-dulo, bawat ending nung UPL at saka nung UDL ay lalagyan natin ng guhit as a guide. Okay? So, ayan. So, let's start. This is our shear diagram. At point A, aakyat tayo ng 0.667. So, dito yan. That is equal to 0.667 kilonewton. As you can see, wala tayong load galing sa point A hanggang point C. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung diagram natin hanggang dyan. And then, ibababa tayo ni 3 kilonewton. So, that's 0.667 minus 3. That is negative 2.333. Ayan. Bumaba tayo doon. And then, wala naman tayong load dito. Sabi ko nga, isa sa shear diagram, yung moment na nakikita natin dito ay hindi niya maapektuhan ang shear diagram. So, tuloy-tuloy lang to hanggang makarating ka sa dulo. Pagdating natin sa dulo, ito ay iaakyat, no, ni dy, which is 2.33 upward. So, aakyat yan at magsisiro na yan. So, this would be our shear diagram. Okay. Para naman sa ating moment diagram, we have 0. Start tayo sa 0. Kukumpitin natin tong area 1 because our moment at this point is equal to area 1. So, yung area 1 natin is equal to 0.667. We have to multiply that to the distance 3. So, times 3. Okay? So, we have here 0.667 times 3. And that is equal to 2.001. So, meron tayong 2.001. Okay? So, this is 2.00. And this is degree 0 as you can see here. Degree 0 tayo dyan. So, meaning dito, kapag ikinonect na natin ito, this would be linear. Line lang tayo dyan. This is degree 1 curve. No? So, sa activity po natin, sa ating module 4, you have to indicate the degree. Kasi po, lalo na kapag yung may mga curve katulad ng kanina, degree 2 curve, degree 3 curve, hindi natin ma-identify ano ba yung degree ng curve na dinrawing mo. But you have to, no, indicate the degree para alam ko kung tama yung degree ng curve na dinrawing mo para ma-checkan ko yung activity. Okay? So, in here, we have our area 2 and this would be our area 3. So, for the moment at these points, since this is negative, yung area 2 natin, isusubtract natin yan. No? Area 1 natin is positive. So, the moment at this point, ayan, the moment at B, ilalagyan ko siya ng L. Bakit L? Sa left. No? Sa left side. That is equal to the area 1 or the moment at that point, that's 2.001. I have to subtract that with the area 2. And the area 2 is negative 2.33. So, hindi ko siya ilalagay na yung negative dito kasi nag-negative na ako doon. So, you have 2.333 multiplied by the distance 1.5. And I have here minus 2.333 times 1.5. Times 1.5. And that is equal to negative 1.499. So, this is negative 1.499. Okay? So, hindi siya dito. Dun siya sa baba. No? Ayan. Nag-assume ka na agad na dun lang siya. Dun pala siya sa baba. Okay? So, since this is degree 0 to, meaning, i-connect natin ito dito ng line. Degree 1. No? And, yung diagram natin is this. Ito, at saka ito. Okay? So, ang magnitude natin dito is negative 1.499. Okay? Then, for this, since meron tayong clockwise moment na 5, ibig sabihin po ay iaakyat niya yung ating moment diagram. No? Vertical to ha. Vertical po yung effect ng given moment or couple. So, we have this last answer na negative 1.499. So, negative 1.499 plus 5. And that would be equal to 3.501. So, 3.501 is higher than 2. Ito kanina, 001. That is 3.501. So, 3.501. Ayan siya. Dito na ngayon yung moment natin. Ngayon, yung moment natin at D, tatawagan natin tong R. Nasa right side. This is the negative 1.499 plus our moment na 5, which is 3.501. Okay? Then, the moment at point B is equal to the last moment, 3.501. We are going to add that, we are going to subtract from this the area na to. So, kung isusubtract natin yung area natin, that would be 2.333 times 1.5. Itong area 3 natin. And that would give us 3.501 minus 2.333 times 1.5. And that would be equal to 0.0015. No? Approximately 0. No? Maliit na masyado. So, that is equal to 0. So, napasara na natin siya. And if we are going to connect this point papunta doon, since this is degree 0 here, you have to indicate that degree 0 dyan, then that would be degree 1 here. Okay? So, this would be our moment diagram. At hindi po yan nagtatapos lang dito. Kasi, meron tayong possible question na what is the location of the point of inflection from the left support? No? The point of inflection is the location of the moment. Ayan. Location niya ng moment. Ito yan. This is the location of the point of inflection. As you can see here, if we have this x, ayan, kung i-consider natin na x ito, ay di ba 1.5 yung total? So this part here is 1.5 minus x. Okay? So by ratio and proportion, we would have by ratio and proportion. So itong nasa kaliwa, meron tayong x is 2.001. Ito yan, yung part na to. And sa kabilang side, 1.5 minus x is 2. This part here, 1.499. Wag nang i-consider yung sign. No? So, solving for the value of x, we have 2.001, and this is 1.5 minus x over 1.499. Shift solve pwede mag-trial value ng 10 kasi mas madali siyang mag-solve. That is 0.858 or 0.86, no? So 0.86. Ayan, yung location ng point of inflection. Pero itong 0.86 na to ay ito lang 'yon, no? You have to remember na dito ay meron pa tayong 3. Yung total distance ng point of inflection natin is 3.86 meters from the left support. So, depende po yan sa problem, ha? Kasi pag sinabi sa problem na right support, edi yung total distance na 6 minus na mula ng 3.86 para makuha mo naman yung distance galing sa right, no? Depende sa problem. Ngayon, doon sa property natin ng shear and moment diagram, sinasabi doon na the location of the zero shear is always the location of the maximum moment. As you can see here, no? Titingnan natin. Andito yung zero shear ko eh. So, ina-expect natin na yung maximum moment natin ay nandito rin sa point C, no? Na kung saan, ito ay 2.001. Pero, kung titingnan natin yung moment diagram natin, hindi yan yung maximum moment natin. Ang maximum moment natin is ito, 3.501. Bakit? Ano nangyari doon? Ang nangyari po doon ay dahil dito, meron tayong couple, no? Mayroong couple na load. That's why, apektado yung moment diagram natin at hindi niya na nasunod yung property na the location of the zero moment, the zero shear rather, is always the location of the maximum moment. You have to refer, no, to the moment diagram para masagot mo kung ano yung hinahanap. So, the value of the maximum moment is 3.501. Pag merong question na, what is the value of the maximum negative moment? Your answer is negative 1.499. Kaya sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lang tayo nagtatapos doon sa pag-determine o pag-drawing ng ating shear and moment diagram. No? Nakadepende pa rin yon sa follow-up question. Ano ba yung hinihingi? So, pag naghingi ng maximum positive shear, the answer is 0.667. Pag naghingi ng maximum negative shear, the answer is negative 2.33. No? So, yun yung mga possible questions na pwedeng lumabas pagdating sa ating exam. Okay? So, next. Ang gagawin natin ay hanapin natin or i-drawing natin ano yung magiging bending nito. No? Paano siya magbe-bend? Okay, tignan natin ha. Kung titingnan natin dito, as you can see, we have the positive moment here. Positive moment tayo dyan, simula dito sa point na to hanggang sa point na to. I-project ko siya hanggang dito. Hanggang dito sa point na to, positive yung moment natin dyan. So, ibig sabihin dito, positive, di ba? Pag positive yung moment, ngingiti yan. So, ang bending natin sa part na yan ay magiging ganito. Yan, ngumiti. Ngayon, pagdating naman dito ay negative yung moment. So, kapag negative yung moment, ay nakasimangot yan. So, simula sa point na to hanggang sa point na to, sa D, siya ay nakasimangot. No? So, ibig sabihin, siya ay sad pagdating dyan. Naka-ano yan, concave upward. And, pagdating dito, positive ulit yung moment yan. So, ibig sabihin, ngingiti na naman siya dito. So, ganun yung pagdodrawing ng possible na mukha ng bending ng beam natin depende sa loading. At ang nagdi-determine po nun is yung itsura ng ating moment diagram.